Like many of you, I get bored. Sometimes very bored. And this is the story of my puzzle box. There are many boxes like it, but this is mine. It has a button that sometimes works. So one day I was doing some research on the internet and felt like being more productive. I thought I'd build something. So I found a puzzle box. It was all there, step by step. And I built it. Here it is. It's a thing of beauty. Basically, there's a ball bearing inside that, if you navigate through a maze, will make its way into an inner chamber inside the mechanism, and you can open it. Thing is, I learned a few things after I made it. First being that people acted differently towards it. Some people thought it was fantastic because of the novelty, and other people were almost angry because it's a little bit pointless. And another thing that I learned was that I have no idea what to put in it. And I guess maybe that's the way when it comes to things that we build or things that other people have built. We can't help but inject some of our own personality, our own identities into it. So I guess in a weird way, we're all barely normal. Thanks for watching.